Are you tired of not knowing how to use the Xbox app and missing out on all the fun with your friends? You're not alone. Today I'm gonna show you something. You're gonna learn exactly how to use the Xbox app like a pro. So the Xbox app, it lets you play games, chat with friends, and even control your Xbox from your phone or your tablet. But if you're confused by all the buttons, don't worry, I'm here to help. So first you're gonna download the Xbox app from the App Store or the Google Play. So you're going to open it, sign in with your Xbox or your Microsoft account, and then next you're going to try the remote play feature. This lets you play your Xbox games right on your phone. So just make sure that your Xbox is on and connected to the internet, all right? Then you're going to use the Friends tab to see who's online and send messages or party invites, all right? Try the Game Pass tab to explore tons of new games. You can even install games straight to your Xbox with one tap, all right? Now, the last thing is you're gonna check out Customize Your Profile, okay? Check out Customize Your Profile. So add a game pick, change your name, show off your game clips. So now you're ready to have fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Ciao.